Hey buddies, in this video I will show you how to change the watch strap on your Omega X watch.
Let's get started. So first of all, we do recommend you to use a spring bar tool as well as a soft surface underneath the watch. We're using the Wristbuddys high-end spring bar tool, which we'll link below. But honestly, most tools will work just fine. If you have one of the newer MoonSwatch models, you can actually do this without any tools at all, thanks to the quick release system. So here's how you do it. Take the forked end of the tool, place it on the spring bar like this, and then push it down so the spring pops out of the hole. Once you've removed one side, just repeat the same process on the other side until the watch head is free. Now it's time to put on a new strap. The MoonSwatch has a 20mm lug width, so you'll need a 20mm strap. At Wristbuddys, we've got tons of options in both rubber and leather, all with quick release spring bars. We're going with this blue one today. Remember, the short piece goes on the top of the watch, and the long piece goes on the bottom. The technique is the same here. First, line up one side of the spring bar in the hole, then push down the other side until it clicks into place between the lugs. You'll usually hear a little click when it locks in. I always like to double check by gently pulling the strap from both sides to make sure it's secure. And that's it. Super easy. Now you can throw it on your wrist and enjoy your new look.
Thanks for watching. Visit wristbuddys.com to explore straps and tools, and don't forget to use YT10 for 10 USD off your next order.